Hello guys, this is Mathieu Tech Moto here today. I will only show you a bug in the OpenCamera app for Android and how to fix it. So what the bug is in the manual shutter speed. You will have black screen like this that flash, and when you touch the screen it come back and become normal again. So this is a intermittent problem. So the shutter speed will go at 10,000. What I have found to avoid this situation, this is only happening at 130 shutter speed. So if I go into 135 shutter speed, the problem won't be there. So this is mostly on the LG phones. So avoid the 130 shutter speed and you should be fine. Let's test 120. This seems all good. Let's go back to 130. Oh, you see. So as soon as you touch something, it's come back and go again. So this is the bug in OpenCamera, but any other shutter speed than 130 should be fine in my short experience. So I wish you a beautiful day and see you next time. Bye bye.